Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We are talking about something very important. We know that work done is equal to change in kinetic energy, but how is it so? Well, let's dive in it and see how work done is equal to change in kinetic energy of any substance or any object that is moving.
Okay, so in this video we are going to show that work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. Yeah, the first step is that we know that work done is equal to force times distance. This is to say work is a product of force and the distance moved in the direction of the exerted force. So we know the formula for force. Again, we know that force is equal to mass times acceleration. So we can get this and replace it with our force here. So you can say work done is equal to mass times acceleration, and we are multiplying it by our distance. But again, we know what the formula for distance is from Newton's equations. So we have this equation where this is velocity, final velocity, initial velocity plus acceleration multiplied by time. In this equation, we don't have distance, we don't have displacement, but we have this equation. In this equation, this is final velocity squared, initial velocity squared, this is acceleration, and this is distance. So when we make s the same distance subject of formula, we are going to have the following. Okay, so I'm going to divide both sides. This is velocity, so I just grouped the like terms. This is velocity and this is velocity. So that's why this velocity had to cross the equal sign and become negative. So here we're going to say divide both sides by 2a, which is acceleration, and then this side 2a, which is acceleration. So we know this and this will give us 1 times s. That will be s. So definitely our s is this expression here. So v squared minus u squared over 2 acceleration. So I'm going to get this expression here and replace it with my d here. All right, so I'm saying work done will be equal to mass times acceleration. Okay, I want to use brackets now, and I'm getting this. I'll say v squared minus u squared over 2a, and I'll close. Right? But mathematically we know that we have something in common, so we can simplify this acceleration and this acceleration. Will definitely get to cancel. Okay, so what we're saying then here is we're multiplying mass by everything that is in here. So work done is equal to mass v squared over 2, which will be minus same mass u squared over 2. Now writing it in this way is just the same as writing it in this way. Work done is equal to half mass velocity squared minus half mass initial velocity squared. Why? Because anything divided by 2 is basically multiplied by half. That's why we have introduced the half here. And this equation starting from here up to here is what happens to be delta KE. So in short, work done is equal to delta KE, kinetic energy. So this knowledge is really going to help us in the question that we are going to talk about in the next video. So let's follow it up nicely. Thank you.